ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. I am welcoming you to BVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science. BVSM Academy is situated in Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya on behalf of Gopanalli Employees Association. I am welcoming you once again to my science class today. What is COVID? You know that COVID is in second wave. Should be cautious. We have to use mask, keep social distance, and sanitize your hands periodically. So here is a question. We will discuss the questions afterwards. This is a noble or inert gas configuration of periodic table. Let us discuss about the group 8A of the periodic table, or the noble gas or inert gas: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. They are found in trace amounts in the atmosphere. In fact, 1% of the atmosphere is argon. Helium is also found in natural gas deposits in their elemental form at room temperature. The group 8A elements have a full octet of 8 valence electrons in their highest energy orbitals. They can be forced to form compounds with other elements, but require special conditions to do so. Helium. Helium is a colorless, odorless, unreactive gas which liquefies at minus 268.97 degrees Celsius, that is 4.18 kelvins. The name helium is derived from the Greek word for the sun, helios. Helium was originally discovered on the sun in 1868 by Pere Janssen. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe, 23% by mass. Hydrogen and helium together make up 99% of the normal matter of the universe. The fusion of hydrogen atoms in stars to produce helium produces huge amounts of energy. The energy in sunlight is captured by plants in photosynthesis and drives most of the chemistry of living organisms. Helium is used in filling up of the weather observation balloons. Neon. Atomic number 10, P block, mass 20.180. 1898, neon was discovered in London. Ramsay chilled a sample of air until it became a liquid. Neon is a colorless, odorless, inert, monoatomic gas under standard conditions of temperature and pressure, with about 2/3 the density of air. Neon is also used to make high voltage indicators and switching gear, lightning arresters, diving equipment, and lasers. Neon is used in glowing signboards for advertisement in the modern commercial advertisements. Element argon, 18 group of the atomic number 18, P block elements. And the vast majority of the argon is the isotope of argon 40, which arises from the radioactive decay of potassium 40 according to the chemical. But in space, argon is made in stars when a 2 hydrogen nuclei or alpha particles fuse with silicon-32. The result is the isotope argon 36. Isotopes of an element have varying numbers of the neutrons in the nucleus. Krypton was discovered in Britain 1898 by William Ramsay, Scottish chemist, and Maurice Travers, an English chemist. Krypton's multiple emission like make ionized krypton gas discharges appear whitish. Krypton gas is also combined with the mercury to make luminous signs that glow with the bright greenish blue light. Earth has retained all of the noble gases that were present at its formation except helium. The first measurements suggest an abundance of krypton in space. Xenon, a chemical element discovered by Sir William Ramsay and Maurice Travers. The wealthy industrialist Ludwig Mond gave them a new liquid air machine, and they used it to extract more of the rare gas krypton. By repeatedly distilling this, they eventually isolated a heavier gas, and then they examined this is a vacuum tube. It gave a beautiful blue glow. They realized it was yet another member of the inert group of gaseous elements, as they were then known because of the lack of chemical reactivity. They called the new gas as xenon. It was this gas which Neil Bartlett eventually showed was not inert by making a fluorine derivative in 1962. So far, more than 100 xenon compounds have been made. Radon is a naturally occurring radioactive gas that can cause lung cancer. Radon gas is inert, colorless, and odorless. Radon is naturally in the atmosphere in trace amounts. Breathing random over time increases your risk of lung cancer because it is radioactive. Radon is the second leading cause of the lung cancer in the United States of America. Nationally, the EPA estimates that about 21,000 people die each year from radon-related lung cancer. Only smoking causes more lung cancer deaths. You can take steps to reduce the amount of radon in the atmosphere and in the industrial area. Earth's atmosphere, the beautiful planet Earth. Atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet Earth that is held in place by a pull of Earth's gravity, which is the gravitational power. We call our atmosphere the air. The density of the gas mixture is greater near the Earth's surface and gets less as you raise above the surface. If you go on above and above and above into the surface, into the atmosphere, towards the space, as you get higher up, the air gets thinner and thinner. That's why you need breathing equipment to breathe and survive. When you climb very high mountains, the atmosphere is held on to the planet Earth by the pull of gravity. Planets and moons with a weaker gravitational field than Earth have thinner or even no atmospheres. The gases just escape into the space. We are lucky that our planet has a strong enough gravitational power, Earth's gravitational power, to hold on to the life-giving gases. The atmosphere absorbs and reflects some of the heat radiation from the sun. This prevents the Earth's surface from getting too hot during the day. It retains on that energy so that all of the energy collected from the sun is not lost during the night, as would be the case if there was no atmosphere. My dear friends, I would like to divert your attention toward the atmosphere. The language of chemistry tells that Earth's atmosphere consists of gases like nitrogen 78%, oxygen 20.9%, other gases more than 0.17%, argon more than 0.9%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, which are the important gases around the Earth's atmosphere. The temperature indicates 15 to 55 degrees of the atmospheric planet Earth. Sun's UV radiations falls on the surface and it crosses the atmosphere and it crosses the ozone layer, my dear friends. It reaches, and some of the radiations go back, it reflects back into the atmosphere. This is VVSM Academy, gives you the information about inert gases and the atmospheric gases around the earth. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya, Gopanahalli. Contact 9663828428. If you like our videos, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.